Hey everyone, welcome to Sensible, where we're going to make sense of making sense. Today I wanted to talk to you guys about getting started in stocks, and it's probably easier than what you think it is. This is not that hard. So what you're going to have to do is set up a tax-free savings account. That's your number one thing. And do direct investing, right? Because you don't want to start paying brokers for the brokerage fees and all that good jazz. It eats you alive. Second thing you're going to have to look out for is FCH maintenance fees, which charge you quarterly. So every 3 months you're going to get a $25 fee. How are you going to avoid this? Is simply by making bi-weekly or monthly contributions of like $25 or whatever it is. So once you do that, they stop with the FCH fees, which I didn't know about when I was starting out, and yeah, they hit me with a couple of them. So figuring that out, going forward, sharing information, that's what you want to do. You want to avoid those fees, right? And so secondly, let's say talk passive income. It's a great way to start. It comes down to the more affordable range rather than buying into real estate, which is huge investments. So you can start your passive income with $3,000. I know it's not a lot, it's pretty much chump change, but hey, it's a start, right? So if you're working a minimum wage job and you're trying to get going and you're like, crap, I want to make some extra money, well, this is a way to do it. So $3,000, and you can invest into a company called Alaris Equity. So they pay out a 7.55% yearly of a dividend, right? So that means you're going to get $75.50 back every year per $1,000. If you times that by 3, you should reach $266.50 a year off your $3,000. So I mean, really, in reality, if you divide that up per month, you're looking at $18.87 a month in passive income. Not a bad start for, it's something. It's a start. It's more money than you're ever going to get by putting your money into a savings account at 1% interest rate and let it go, because you're never going to see that kind of money off your $3,000. 1% of like $3,000, you're probably looking at like what, $3 a month, maybe. Not very much anyway. A very small amount. Also, there's another thing I want to talk to you guys about. I heard people say, hey, I found a way to retire at age 35, and this is how you do it. So I'm like, okay, I'm listening, because has me interested. Basically, what they're telling you to do is go to school, get a high-paying job, and then live at home in your parents' basement, save 90% of your income. I mean, okay, that's a lie, because it's not reality. You can't live off 10% of your income. Like, you just can't. And most of us can't live in our parents' basement and let them pay for our vehicle, let them pay for our insurance, let them pay for our groceries. I mean, who does that? Seriously? It's like, no, never going to happen. And that's the other lie, is don't go to school and get a job. Because, I mean, if you want to be an employee, good for you. But if you're like myself, you don't want to be an employee. I never wanted to be an employee. So this is why I started this channel, and I'm starting to talk about investing and generating passive income. Yeah, no, $226 a year doesn't sound like a whole lot, but it's something. So it's just starting to get you guys off into the right direction. Anyway, so that's my tip for today on how you guys can generate $226 a year in passive income, or $18 a month. I mean, if you double it up, you guys can do the numbers and start investing. Anyway, guys, we'll see you in the next one.